Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So in few days back this Facebook team launched its one of the new emoji icon. So what is that? And this is called as kare emoji. And today this emoji is now available for Facebook desktop versions. So there is no need to install any external applications and it is automatically visible in your Facebook homepage section. At same time, most of them ask how to access this kare emoji by using the Facebook mobile application. And this kare emoji is only available if you are using the Facebook Lite application. But this reaction is not available in Facebook application. So the main reason for making this video is, friends, don't try to watch unwanted videos from YouTube because most of them show the steps by simply update your Facebook application and then you get it. And this is 100% false because this Facebook team will release this feature by region wise. So don't try to install any external applications, and this is the main content of this tutorial. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech, and thanks for watching.